Hey, it's Mike from Game World Engineer, and today Humble Bundle has released a new bundle called the Gamemaster's Toolkit Assets and Tutorials Bundle. It's a 50 item bundle by Leartes Studios and their partners. So there's 3 tiers. We got the 4 item bundle for $1 for 4 items. So you get the Unreal Engine Create Auto Landscape Material tutorial. There's an Unreal Engine 5 level tutorial. It's a time-lapse tutorial. Fantasy Interior Environment by Leartes Studios. So their environments are usually really good. And the Object Distribution Tool by Leartes Studio. This tool allows you to distribute objects in Unreal Engine to scatter your objects around the scene, so you can, and then you can simulate them, and it allows you to group objects together and then generate, scatter them, and then there's physics-based simulations so that you could just have them drop down to the ground afterwards. So it makes it easy to distribute assets in levels, either randomly or by different patterns that they have in the tool. So pretty good for $1, I'd say. So that's the tier 1. The tier 2 is the 20 item bundle. For $20, you get 20 items. So we get Unreal Sensei Lighting Fundamentals tutorials, CG Dealers Create a Zombie Survivor FPS tutorial, the Modeling Low Poly Trees for Mobile Games tutorial, the Create Advanced Water Shader tutorial, Mastering Godot Game Engine tutorial by Awesome Toots. So this is a Godot course. Create your first RPG and FPS multiplayer game in Unity by Awesome Toots as well. And we have Unity Create 2D and 3D games with C# tutorials by Awesome Toots. And then we have Modeling Tutorial 1 by ZBrush Substance Painter Game Ready Prop tutorial. This one is by Lim Eric Harianto. So check that out. We have a home interior pack as well. And we have FPS 4K Western Guns for Unreal, I guess. Sci-fi Futuristic Corridor, Victorian Decayed Alley environment for Unreal. And a lot of these packs can be brought over to Unity as well using the Unreal to Unity tool or other export. And you can bring them into Godot as well by exporting them. Then they have the Material Assignment tool, which allows you to assign materials to things, I guess. So it's a material management plugin for Unreal. There's the Florence Cathedral environment, 500 plus fantasy icons, and Awesome Toots Master Unity by building 6 fully featured games from scratch. We have Unreal Engine Create Auto Landscape. Oh, and then we're into the tier 1. So that's the end of tier 2. And then the 50 item bundle, we get some more Unreal Sensei tutorials, the Lumen one, the Lightmass one, the Abandoned Industrial Environment by Leartes Studios, the Historical Museum Environment for both Unity and Unreal, Modern City Environment Megapack, both Unity and Unreal, and Path Tracing tutorials by Unreal Sensei, how to make awesome cinematics, make AAA game vehicles, CG Dealers Environment Design tutorials, and Blueprints Game Developer Masterclass. And we've got 3D game development with Godot Game Engine, and so another Godot course by Awesome Toots. And then we've got game design development 20 plus 2D and 3D project tutorials with Raja Biswas for Blender and Unity. And he's also got the Unity Android game development build 10 2D and 3D game tutorials. and cyberpunk handgun weapons, shotguns. We have the sedan car set, drivable vehicles set. There's 4 in that set. The post-apocalyptic diner SFX. That's the sound effects. The water visual effects. Medieval tavern environment, the modern office environment, and the coffee shop environment, all for both Unreal and Unity. So you don't even have to convert them over. We have the abandoned hut environment, stylized Indian city environment, and the stylized wizard room environment, and the ultimate level art tool by Leartes Studio. This is their tool that allows for Unreal, I think, that allows you to create modular buildings and things like that. So the ultimate level art tool. And we have a stylized Christmas market environment, the Paris Street environment, a bowling alley environment, cyberpunk arcade environment, and there's a 75% discount on Leartes Studio for all environments. So it's valid for the brand new Leartes website Cosmos. So you can get 70% off anything on that site as well. So that are $25 and up. So a lot of these assets were recently in the another bundle called Ultra Vaganza. So if you missed that bundle, most of them are back in this bundle. So for only $25, you can get these 50 items. The 20 item bundle is not really worth it because it's only $5 less. You get another 30 items for only $5 more. So you're better off getting the $25 level. So if you want to get in on this bundle, it's good until April, I think April 14th or something, but good for 21 days. So check out the bundle. My affiliate link is below. So if you use the link, it helps out the channel and it's much appreciated. But you could always go to Humble Bundle directly if you don't want to do that. So it's up to you. But so that's it for today. And check out this bundle, and we'll see you in the next one.